Hello participants, welcome in this quick tutorial. I will guide you through your first steps in Google Colab. It is an amazing tool for coding and experimenting online. To open Google Colab, first open your internet browser. Then in the search bar, type Colab and press enter. The Google Colab interface looks like this. Then for creating a new notebook, click on New Notebook. This opens a fresh notebook for you to start coding. So this is your fresh notebook. Now we are going to make a very simple program of a one single command line. So let us type simple print command. In the first cell, bring your cursor here, and in the first cell, you type a simple print command, print welcome. This is my command. Now this command will display a message on the screen. To execute this code to this program, we have to bring the cursor here, and now to execute code, you click on this play button, which is on the left side of the cell. So I have clicked it, or you can press Shift Enter also. It will take some time and your program will get executed. There it is. So welcome, you wanted to print welcome. It has printed welcome. This is your output. So this is how we execute our program. Now you have run your first program in Colab with me. Now you have to practice before the session. Take some time to practice these steps: opening Colab, creating a new notebook, typing the print command, and executing it. And repeat this process until you become comfortable. And you can change this, my first program. So this file name you have given to your notebook. So that's it for now. Keep practicing, and I will see you today in session 1.